What's going on, boaters? We have another new 2026 Barletta Sanza 22 QC. Barletta just came out with this model for a nice price point tri-toon that they wanted to hit the market with, and I want to show you why I love the construction of the Barletta. Starting in the front here, they don't cheap out on anything. You have stainless steel pop-up cleats, corner caps, docking lights, and of course, as always with Barletta, the dock view door. Let's walk to the back of this pontoon, show you more of that really nice construction that Barletta offers with the stainless steel telescoping ladder and this huge ski tow bar. So really nice when you're going to be pulling tubers. That option is right here. They also have a center fill gas tank, so it doesn't matter what side of the dock you pull up to. Really nice feature. Again, this is tri-toon powered by a Mercury 150 4-stroke. Really nice option that we just got in at Nisswa, so come and check it out.